Kids were asking for some Little Caesars, but we got that at home. We whipped up these really easy pizza puffs right here, and they came out fabulous. We started off with 34, maybe half an hour ago. This is all that's left. That's how good they were. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, this recipe is going to save you during the week. It's a really easy little process. You can make it as complicated as you want to, but you don't need to. We got 4 kids. Everyone's going back to school, so we need something quick for when they get out, right? Let's go. Scarface sauce, pizza dough, salt punch. Put the dough in. Sauce them. Cheese them. Mini pepperonis. Make sure they're mini. Black olives. Drain them. Spread them. Jalapenos on as many as you want. Okay, bake them at 350 for about 20 or 30 minutes, but do it to your desired doneness. Ooh, yeah, it's been about 30 minutes. Check these babies out. Let me know in the comments if you give one of these a try. I read and respond to each one. Yeah, we'll let them cool off real quickly. We'll be right back. Okay, it's about that time. We came up with 34 of these babies from just 2 cans of that rolled dough. Really, really pretty. Let me know how you like this recipe. But we're giving this one a try right now. Do me a favor. If you enjoyed, give this one a like and hit that subscribe so I can see you next time. Also, let me know what you want me to make next. It's still good with the salt on the bottom. Oh man, definitely give that a try. I love the salt. Oh my gosh. But yeah, perfect weeknight recipe. This is definitely going to save you some time. Nobody wants to hear the kids say they're hungry or bicker and fight. Get some of these pizza puffs. You're going to have a happy household. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.